We often talk about clarity, or I do, and getting clear-minded. And how about clearing your mind? Oh my gosh, Charlie, my conscious mind was so... I gave up trying to sleep for maybe 2 hours. So I got up, turned on my laptop, and did a little bit of work. Just to distract, to take a break in the loop. And yesterday, admittedly, I allowed myself to be triggered. I left my new block of cheese out on the counter, and that just, didn't sit right, because it may be ruined, and if it is, it is. So this morning, I was looking around at the crystals in my room, and this guy, so who besides a palm stone wants to come with me that is easy enough and light enough for a walk of an hour or more. This is, and it's big enough so I resting it on my forearm. It is a selenite. It's clear, it's transparent. Some people call it a window pane. I call it selenite window. Sometimes people call it a clear or transparent slab or selenite. Now, it's not really a slate. This does have layers, and this particular form of selenite, look at how nice and reflective that is from Mexico. And personally, especially if you're a starseed, selenite can be one of your biggest supporters. That and Lemurian quartz and some other things. Oh, there's a hummingbird over there reminding us, he's really tiny, to be here in the moment. So what does selenite do? In general, selenite is about clearing energy, cutting negative energy cords, dissolving, eliminating, energy purification and detox. There we go. Okay, a little better. And specific kinds of selenite. There are other ones, but we're going to focus on this one because the hummingbird reminded me to be here in the moment with you and with myself and this guy. So this is about clarity. When we have clarity, when our mind is clear of self-negative talk, sabotage, a loop of you didn't do this, we got to plan that, la la la, la la la, la la la. Holy heavens, a conscious mind is doing its job way too well sometimes. And my mind is clearer, not yet as clear as I want it to be, working on it. And yet it's clearer than when I started out this morning. Look at that reflection, the fluorescence a little bit. All right, beautiful soul, have an amazing day and clear your mind. Get stuff out of it. Here's something I said as I was going to sleep last night. I release everything from today that is not mine. I release everything from today that is mine. I receive the precise guidance, healing, and messages during my sleep time. So today, I'm going to be reframing that. Instead of during my sleep time, I receive the precise healing, guidance, and messages during my day today as I continue to connect with my higher self, my inner intuitive self, my guides, and this beautiful piece of clear window pane selenite.